Kitchen tools names in English.
Spatula.
A spatula is a kitchen tool used for flipping, spreading, or mixing food. Tongs.
Tongs are kitchen tools used for gripping and lifting food without using your hands. Whisk.
A whisk is a kitchen tool used for beating, mixing, or whipping ingredients. Ladle.
A ladle is a kitchen tool used for serving soups, stews, or liquids. Measuring cups.
Measuring cups are kitchen tools used to measure ingredients accurately. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are kitchen tools used to measure small amounts of ingredients precisely. Cutting board.
A cutting board is a kitchen tool used as a surface for chopping or cutting food. Chef's knife.
A chef's knife is a versatile kitchen knife used for chopping, slicing, and dicing food. Paring knife.
A paring knife is a small kitchen knife used for peeling and trimming fruits and vegetables. Bread knife.
A bread knife is a kitchen knife with a serrated edge, used for slicing bread without crushing it. Peeler.
Peeler is a kitchen tool used for removing the outer skin of fruits and vegetables. Grater.
A grater is a kitchen tool used for shredding or grating food into small pieces. Can opener.
A can opener is a kitchen tool used for opening metal cans. Bottle opener.
A bottle opener is a kitchen tool used for removing caps or corks from bottles. Rolling pin.
A rolling pin is a kitchen tool used for flattening and shaping dough. Mixing bowls.
Mixing bowls are kitchen containers used for combining and mixing ingredients. Colander.
A colander is a kitchen tool used for draining water from pasta, vegetables, or other foods.
Sieve.
A sieve is a kitchen tool used for separating fine particles from larger ones or for sifting ingredients like flour. Strainer.
A strainer is a kitchen tool used for separating liquids from solids, such as when rinsing or draining food. Potato masher.
A potato masher is a kitchen tool used for mashing cooked potatoes or other soft foods. Kitchen shears.
Kitchen shears are strong scissors used for cutting food and other kitchen tasks. Garlic press. A garlic press is a kitchen tool used for crushing garlic cloves easily.
Wooden spoon.
A wooden spoon is a kitchen tool used for stirring and mixing food while cooking. Slotted spoon.
A slotted spoon is a kitchen tool used for lifting food while draining away liquid. Ice cream scoop.
An ice cream scoop is a kitchen tool used for serving ice cream in round portions. Pizza cutter.
A pizza cutter is a kitchen tool used for slicing pizzas into pieces. Citrus juicer.
A citrus juicer is a kitchen tool used for extracting juice from citrus fruits. Mortar and pestle.
A mortar and pestle is a kitchen tool used for grinding and crushing spices, herbs, or other ingredients. Kitchen timer.
A kitchen timer is a tool used for measuring cooking time to prevent overcooking or burning food. Egg separator.
An egg separator is a kitchen tool used for separating egg whites from yolks. Skillet.
A skillet is a kitchen pan used for frying, searing, and sauté food. Saucepan.
A saucepan is a kitchen pan used for cooking sauces, boiling, or heating liquids. Stock pot.
A stock pot is a large kitchen pot used for cooking soups, stews, or stocks. Baking sheet.
A baking sheet is a flat kitchen tray used for baking cookies, pastries, or roasting food. Muffin tin.
A muffin tin is a baking pan with cups used for making muffins or cupcakes. Loaf pan.
A loaf pan is a baking pan used for making bread or pound cakes. Cake pan.
A cake pan is a baking pan used for making cakes in different shapes and sizes. Pie dish.
A pie dish is a baking dish used for making and serving pies. Roasting pan.
A roasting pan is a deep baking pan used for roasting meat, poultry, or vegetables. Casserole dish.
A casserole dish is an oven-safe dish used for baking and serving casseroles or similar dishes. Mixing spatula.
A mixing spatula is a kitchen tool used for stirring, folding, and scraping ingredients. Oven mitts.
Oven mitts are heat-resistant gloves used for safely handling hot pots, pans, or dishes. Dish rack.
A dish rack is a kitchen tool used for holding and drying washed dishes. Blender.
A blender is a kitchen appliance used for mixing, pureeing, or blending food and drinks. Food processor.
A food processor is a kitchen appliance used for chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing ingredients. Toaster.
A toaster is a kitchen appliance used for toasting bread slices. Coffee maker.
A coffee maker is a kitchen appliance used for brewing coffee. Electric mixer.
An electric mixer is a kitchen appliance used for beating, mixing, or whipping ingredients. Rolling mat.
A rolling mat is a kitchen tool used for rolling sushi or shaping dough. Kitchen scale.
A kitchen scale is a tool used for weighing ingredients accurately. Salad spinner.
A salad spinner is a kitchen tool used for drying washed salad greens and vegetables. Thermos.
A thermos is a container used for keeping drinks or food hot or cold for a long time. Cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters are kitchen tools used for cutting dough into shapes for cookies. Ice tray.
An ice tray is a kitchen tool used for making ice cubes in the freezer. Frying pan.
A frying pan is a kitchen pan used for frying, searing, and browning food. Microwave oven.
A microwave oven is a kitchen appliance used for quickly heating or cooking food with microwaves. Mandolin slicer.
A mandolin slicer is a kitchen tool used for slicing fruits and vegetables evenly and thinly. Spice rack.
A spice rack is a kitchen organizer used for storing and arranging spices. Dutch oven.
A Dutch oven is a heavy pot with a lid used for slow cooking, baking, or braising. Tea kettle.
A tea kettle is a kitchen tool used for boiling water, usually for tea or coffee. Grill pan.
A grill pan is a kitchen pan with ridges used for grilling food indoors. Oven.
An oven is a kitchen appliance used for baking, roasting, and heating food. Slow cooker.
A slow cooker, crock pot, is a kitchen appliance used for cooking food slowly at a low temperature. Pressure cooker.
A pressure cooker is a kitchen pot that cooks food quickly using steam pressure.
Like and subscribe.